On my phone because we are leaving really soon, but basically Rob and I are getting a puppy, and we've got to travel to Dumfries, which is in Scotland, to go and see this pup that is going to be joining our family. I am so excited. The reason we're traveling to Scotland is because we live in the Channel Islands, and there isn't a breeder of the dog, the type of dog that we are getting locally, so we're going to be traveling to Scotland to go and meet our new child. Basically, you will see in the video what type of dog it is. I'm not going to say yet, I'm going to keep it as a surprise, but it is so cute. So we're heading to Liverpool, and we're going to be driving up from Liverpool to Dumfries. Off we go. You tired?
I'm feeling very fresh. Welcome to Scotland. That was a mission. He's a little climber, isn't he?
Hey. He's getting more and more black spots on him as he goes.
Yeah, he's really gorgeous as well.
He's got some on his
other ear now
as well. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's your daddy. Yes, it is.
Oh.
Did get a few good ones.
Yeah, especially at this age, they just don't want to sit still. Good girl, aren't you? And clever lass. What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
Mm-hmm. You got a friend there.
This one's like keeps coming back as well. Hello.
Little vases.